Think your neighbor's sale doesn't affect your home's value? Think again. First up, what are comps? Comps are simply comparable sales recently sold homes in your area that are similar to yours in type, size, and condition. They're the gold standard for figuring out a smart list price. Step 1. Gather your comps. Check online listings, tap into real estate sites, or ask a local agent for a list of homes sold in the last 3 to 6 months, ideally within a mile of your address. Next, compare apples to apples. Make sure your comps match your home's number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and even things like upgrades or lot size. If your kitchen is brand new but theirs isn't, that's a value boost for you. Now crunch the numbers. Look for trends. Are similar homes selling above or below asking? How fast are they moving off the market? If homes like yours are selling quickly at a certain price, you're in the right range. Don't get greedy though. Overpricing can backfire and make your home sit on the market. Underpricing might leave money on the table. The sweet spot? Right in line with those recent comps. Finally, remember, market conditions shift. Keep an eye on interest rates and local demand, because what worked for your neighbor 6 months ago might not work today. So, use comps wisely, price confidently, and watch the offers roll in. You've got this.